Hello, everyone. I'm Bobby Asher, Director of Programming for the International Festival of Arts and Ideas here in New Haven, coming to you with the very first Seen on Your Screen, which is our virtual online festival bulletin letting you know about virtual festival events coming up on your computer screen in the week ahead. We have two events to tell you about today. The first one is a walking tour of New Haven notables. You can download a map and a guide on our website and go walk around and find 31 different murals of notable New Haven residents from throughout history. So download that guide and put on your mask and get out and enjoy some sunshine in your community in a safe way. In addition to that, we have a program, another performance coming to you from some artists you've seen on the festival program before. And here to introduce that is New Haven resident, playwright, and hip-hop poet, Aaron Jafferis. Hello, Aaron.
Hey, Bobby. Hi, everybody. So Activist Songbook is a collaboration between me and composer Byron O. Young. It's a collection of 53 songs and raps to counteract hate and energize movements inspired by interviews with Asian American activists nationwide. We got a little clip of one of the songs that Byron and I have created. It's called Know Your Rights, and it's performed by LA-based rapper Jason Chu.
警察边境巡逻 Police Ice Back up police I know my rights 我知道自己的权利 Slow down ice I know my rights If the police or ice show up at our doors I know my rights Are you sure you know yours? Right number one My door stays shut Police or ice are knocking I'll be like hey what?
So we're inviting local communities to join virtual choirs that are going to be releasing activist songs that Byron and I have created between now and June. And so that's one way to get involved. And the other way is this Saturday, me and Marisol Creedle, an amazing singer-songwriter, are going to be leading an activist songwriting workshop where you can create your own song or rap based on a movement or organizing that's happening in New Haven right now.
Thanks, Aaron. I'll be joining that workshop from my couch. Don't forget to go to artidea.org for more information on these events and others. We'll be coming back to you each week with more events, including food experiences with local restaurants, and even ideas talks that will happen online around our theme of democracy. So thanks for joining us. Go to artidea.org and see you next week.